Good morning. I am Patel Abhi. I am a student of 7th semester of Chemical Engineering in VGC College. Today I take an interview of Professor Vaibhav Patel. So our question is related to the contributor. So let's start. Tell me about yourself.
First of all, good morning. Myself, Vaibhav Patel, Assistant Professor in Sal Institute of Pharmacy in Pharmacology Department and completed MPharm and doing PhD in Nima University. It is running.
And then what your intent to do next?
My next is continue the research work in PhD that urolithiasis project to find out the drug to cure the kidney stones.
And what kind of step you take to achievement?
For that, I doing the research more things and find out the herbal drugs which cure that kidney stone without damaging any organs and all that things without side effects. For doing the more work, practical works, and find out the data, all that things.
Tell me about your staff in your college.
My staff in college, it is very cooperative and helpful to do any new things and support every time to get the new achievements and all that things. Give a few ideas how to do work on all that things to achieve the goal.
And your contribution in your college?
For in college to study the contributor to give support the student to get the award in seminars and appreciate to the student to participate in different poster presentation, PowerPoint presentation, and try to get the achievements and secure the first ranks. And in last week they get the first rank in poster presentation under my guidance.
And one example to do your contribution. Anyone?
Saying that the student participate in poster presentation and secure first rank, and 1 month ago participate in K by first, and they also secure first rank in PowerPoint presentation, and in college organize the event and all that things. So student successfully do his work and enjoyments in college life and also do the study.
And tell me any person in your staff for which you can say he is a contributor.
For that Anirudh Jain, which are helpful to give suggestion and helpful to every time to achieve that things and support me to do the encourage the students and also involve in that all that activity and support every time.
Are you most productive working alone or in your group? Why?
I am working in group where the difficult work. If that work is simple, then I do any single work alone. If not support is required that time.
And which type of your decision you have difficulty making?
Difficulty decision not do any difficulty. We take the decision to solve that difficulty every time, and that the decision made by group discussion. So what to do for this solution of that problems and all that things.
What is your major reason for your success?
The major reason is achieve a goal. I want to do that things. So then for that I do anything by true pathway. That otherwise nothing. To take the any suggestion from the lower person or higher person. Don't take this is lower parts. So I don't take the decision. From the students we also get some things. Other person for goal do anything.
How do you spend your free time in your college?
For in the college of free time we do the research work, find out the new things, what happened in the world for pharmacy things related, and also give suggestions to students to how to achieve the goals and secure higher ranks, all that.
And I see that when any professor study with job, then not your lecture regularly attend.
No,
This is
no,
right.
this is not true. It is an alternate arrangement do for the work is required. If we do the work and continuously 12 or 6 of work is required, that time do the alternate arrangement and take the lectures and then next week. Otherwise, if we take the lecture, then the work is not properly considered. So alternate arrangement is doing the lectures, practicals, or are doing perfectly.
But some professor is when lecture, then he takes some work to student and then go.
No, that also true, but that work is given is a good for student also. To achieve means do the improvement is knowledge. That work is given is the basic of that study part. If that comes in the study, then it is given. Otherwise, the work is hard and not given.
And how do you manage your stress in your daily work?
Then making the plan. If we so the stress is not coming. If the work is come, then make the silent mode and do the work silently and complete all that things. Don't make the stress on any time.
And tell me about the time when you had deal with some irritated student. Then how do you handle this situation?
For in that situations, the handle by very softly and take care that not irritate that student part and listening everything and say some suggestion to what to do. Otherwise, if irritate then that things is the version.
And what specific skills and trait help you to your success and why?
The specific skill is the natures, friendly natures with the student, and in classroom that students easily ask the questions and all that thing if any difficulty occurs. And also friendly natures. So friends also suggest you some suggestion if I am difficulty. I am not asking anything, then they say suggestions directly. So that a friendly natures with everyone. That good things for me.
And time when you did perform your capability.
Anytime perform nothing, any situation, I do my good capability to do anything.
And your contribution in your society.
For society, up to now I teach students, but doing the research work for kidney stone and find out the herbal drug which remove the stone from the kidney without any side effects. That's my goal to contribute to the society.
And what personal skill you struggle and improve?
For struggle, at now I am the struggling person.
Okay.
And skills, what?
What's your personal skill?
They are friendly
you
and
struggle
do the goals, achievements. That is my struggle. Then I achieve that thing me. Not other than do any contribution to give the good things to the society without any things disturbing the society parts and all that things.
Means your goal achieve you.
Find out the research and goal that things and make the happiness to everyone person.
And what's your greatest achievement to date?
At now no achievements, but in for farm studies that one find out the herbal drug which cure the kidney stones. But I will do another further study and achievements. Second is to study the students which give the give their students give them me appreciation to me. They get achievements in the events and get the school score. That is my achievement.
And brief, tell me your life story.
Nothing life story. I am that Atavi Katta.
Thank you for support. Thank you for give me your valuable time.